Question 37. What benefits do believers receive from Christ at death? Answer. The souls of believers are at their death made perfect in holiness, and do immediately pass into glory, and their bodies, being still united in Christ, do rest in their graves till the resurrection. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Hebrews chapter 12, verse 23. To the General Assembly and Church of the Firstborn, which are written in heaven, and to God the Judge of all, and to the spirits of just men made perfect. Luke chapter 23, verse 43. And Jesus said unto him, Verily I say unto thee, today shalt thou be with me in paradise. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verses 6 and 8. Verse 6. Therefore we are always confident, knowing that, whilst we are at home in the body, we are absent from the Lord. Verse 8. We are confident, I say, and willing rather to be absent from the body, and to be present with the Lord. Philippians chapter 1, verse 23. For I am in a strait betwixt two, having a desire to depart, and to be with Christ, which is far better. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 14. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so them also which sleep in Jesus will God bring with him. Daniel chapter 12, verse 2. And many of them that sleep in the dust of the earth shall awake, some to everlasting life, and some to shame and everlasting contempt. John chapter 5, verses 28 to 29. Marvel not at this, for the hour is coming, in the which all that are in the graves shall hear his voice, and shall come forth, they that have done good, unto the resurrection of life, and they that have done evil, unto the resurrection of damnation. Acts chapter 24, verse 15. And have hope toward God, which they themselves also allow, that there shall be a resurrection of the dead, both of the just and unjust.